Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Metaverse interview questions. The Metaverse represents one of the most exciting frontiers in technology today, combining virtual reality, blockchain, and digital economies into immersive experiences. Whether you're preparing for a technical interview at a tech company or looking to understand this emerging field better, understanding these core concepts is essential. The Metaverse is transforming how we work, play, and interact in digital spaces, making it a crucial topic for anyone in the technology industry. The Metaverse is a persistent, shared virtual world where users interact through digital avatars in real-time environments. Think of it as the internet evolved into a three-dimensional space where you can walk around, meet people, and engage with digital content as if it were physical. The core definition centers around creating seamless digital experiences that feel as natural as real-world interactions. Key components include virtual reality for immersion, augmented reality for blending digital and physical worlds, blockchain technology for ownership verification, and social platforms that enable meaningful connections between users across the globe. Virtual reality is a computer-generated simulation that completely replaces your real-world environment with an immersive digital experience. When you put on a VR headset, you're transported into a three-dimensional world where you can look around, move, and interact using specialized controllers. VR creates the sensation of presence, making your brain believe you're actually in the virtual space. This technology forms the foundation of many metaverse experiences, allowing users to attend virtual meetings, explore digital worlds, play games, and even conduct business in completely artificial environments that feel incredibly real. Digital assets are unique virtual items that exist within digital environments and can be owned, traded, and sold. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, represent verified ownership of digital items like artwork, collectibles, or virtual land using blockchain technology. These assets have real-world value because their ownership is cryptographically secured and cannot be duplicated. Virtual goods include items like avatar clothing, digital accessories, virtual real estate, and in-game items. Unlike traditional digital items that games or platforms control, true digital assets can potentially move between different virtual worlds, giving users genuine ownership of their digital possessions. Virtual economies are complete economic systems that exist within digital worlds, where users can buy, sell, and trade virtual goods using digital currencies. These economies often mirror real-world markets, with supply and demand determining prices for virtual items. Users can earn money by creating content, providing services, or trading digital assets. Cryptocurrencies and virtual currencies facilitate transactions, while blockchain technology ensures secure ownership transfers. Some people make their entire living within virtual economies, selling virtual real estate, designing digital fashion, or providing entertainment services. These economies create real financial opportunities and have generated billions of dollars in transactions. The metaverse relies on a complex technology stack to function effectively. VR headsets like Oculus, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR provide immersive visual experiences. Blockchain networks such as Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana handle digital asset ownership and transactions. Game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine create the three-dimensional worlds and experiences. Communication protocols like WebXR and OpenXR ensure different devices and platforms can work together. Additionally, high-speed internet, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and advanced graphics processing units are essential for delivering smooth, realistic experiences. Each technology component must work seamlessly together to create convincing virtual worlds. The metaverse faces significant technical and social challenges that must be overcome for widespread adoption. Technical barriers include hardware limitations such as heavy headsets, limited battery life, and the need for powerful computers. Network latency can break immersion when there are delays between user actions and virtual responses. High-speed internet connectivity isn't available everywhere, limiting access to rich metaverse experiences. privacy and security concerns are equally important, as virtual worlds collect vast amounts of personal data about user behavior, preferences, and interactions. Protecting digital assets from theft, ensuring user identity verification, and preventing harassment in virtual spaces are ongoing challenges that developers must address. Interoperability refers to the ability of different virtual worlds and platforms to connect and work together seamlessly. Imagine being able to take your avatar, digital clothing, and virtual possessions from one virtual world and use them in another completely different platform. This cross-platform connectivity would allow users to maintain consistent digital identities and asset ownership across multiple metaverse environments. Currently, most virtual worlds operate as isolated silos, but the future metaverse envisions universal standards that enable smooth transitions between different virtual spaces. Achieving interoperability requires industry collaboration, shared technical standards, and agreements between competing platforms. The metaverse offers transformative business applications across multiple industries. Virtual workspaces enable remote teams to collaborate in three-dimensional environments, conducting meetings in virtual conference rooms and working together on projects as if they were physically present. Companies can build immersive team-building experiences and training simulations that are more engaging than traditional video calls. Digital commerce is revolutionized through virtual showrooms where customers can examine products in detail, try on virtual clothing, or tour real estate properties from anywhere in the world. Brands can create interactive marketing experiences, host virtual events, and establish persistent virtual storefronts that operate 24 hours a day. The metaverse continues evolving rapidly with breakthrough technologies that promise even more immersive and accessible virtual experiences. Artificial intelligence will create smarter virtual assistants and more realistic non-player characters. Fifth-generation, wireless networks will reduce latency and enable high-quality mobile metaverse experiences. Haptic feedback technology will let users feel virtual objects through touch sensations. Brain-computer interfaces may eventually allow direct mental control of virtual avatars. As hardware becomes lighter, cheaper, and more powerful, and as internet infrastructure improves globally, the metaverse will become accessible to billions of users, potentially reshaping how humanity works, learns, and socializes in the digital age.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.